Hey guys, and welcome back to another new video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a reminder in Notion, and it's pretty simple. So go to the Notion app, and in the left side private section choose the file where you want to set a reminder, and in the left side you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on here and type here slash date reminder or something like this. So in here you can see you can in this today option simply tap on here, and if you just click on this today option you can choose any date, any time according to your necessary. So in this calendar choose the date, and here you can and tap on turn on this end date option, and you can also change these options, or you can also include a time. And if you just simply tap on here you can choose this, you can change this time. Or here you can see this option remind. Simply tap on here, and here you can choose any of them according to necessary at time of event 5 minutes before or anything. First you just need simply tap on here, and that's it. Our reminder is ready on Notion app. So you can easily set a reminder in Notion whenever you need to remind you. So that's a simple way. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks.